He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of lyrical intelligence, emotional honesty, and remarkable versatility, HAN didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity uniquely his own, transforming youthful creativity into one of the most respected artistic voices of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born as Han Ji-sung on September 14, 2000, in Incheon, South Korea, HAN spent part of his childhood living in Malaysia before returning to his homeland. His journey began far from sold-out arenas and international recognition. Music became his earliest form of self-expression. He developed a passion for writing lyrics, creating melodies, and exploring different styles of performance while still young. Determined to pursue a career in entertainment, he auditioned for JYP Entertainment and successfully earned a place within one of South Korea's most competitive trainee systems. Years of intensive training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, HAN refined his abilities as a rapper, vocalist, songwriter, and producer. Unlike many trainees who focused on a single specialty, he demonstrated exceptional versatility across multiple disciplines. His creativity, work ethic, and natural stage presence quickly distinguished him from others. His breakthrough arrived through the survival program Stray Kids in 2017. Audiences immediately noticed his impressive combination of rap skills, vocal ability, and songwriting talent. In 2018, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids, a group that would soon become one of the most successful fourth-generation K-pop acts worldwide. As Stray Kids expanded their global reach, HAN emerged as one of the group's most valuable creative contributors. As a member of the production unit 3 Racha alongside Bang Chan and Changbin, he participated extensively in songwriting, composition, and music production. His ability to transition seamlessly between rapid-fire rap verses and emotionally driven vocals became a defining element of the group's identity. His artistry extends beyond performance. Through self-composed tracks and personal releases, HAN has explored themes of anxiety, self-growth, ambition, and emotional resilience. These projects reveal a thoughtful and introspective side that resonates deeply with listeners around the world. By 2026, HAN is regarded as one of K-pop's most versatile performers. Industry observers recognize his songwriting abilities, fans admire his authenticity, and fellow artists respect his creative contributions. His career reflects consistent growth, balancing commercial success with genuine artistic development. Offstage, his lifestyle combines creativity with simplicity. Much of his time revolves around music production, lyric writing, recording sessions, and personal creative projects. Rather than seeking constant attention, he often channels his energy into refining his craft and exploring new artistic ideas. His public image reflects a balance between humor and sincerity. Known for his playful personality and quick wit, HAN frequently entertains fans with his spontaneous energy. At the same time, he has earned admiration for speaking openly about personal struggles, allowing audiences to connect with him on a deeper level. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, HAN remains focused primarily on music and artistic growth. Those who work alongside him frequently describe him as hardworking, imaginative, and deeply committed to continuous improvement. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, songwriting royalties, streaming revenue, endorsements, and production credits. Beyond financial achievement, he has established himself as a respected creative force within the international music industry. What many find most compelling is his emotional honesty. Throughout his career, HAN has transformed personal experiences into meaningful art, creating songs that offer comfort, encouragement, and understanding. This ability to connect through vulnerability has become one of his defining strengths. Han's journey is marked by evolution rather than limitation. From a young music enthusiast with ambitious dreams to a globally recognized performer and songwriter, his rise reflects persistence, adaptability, and artistic passion. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern creativity, talented, authentic, and built for lasting influence. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of delicacy, emotional depth, and unmistakable vocal color, Rose didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming a childhood love for music into one of the most recognizable voices in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 11th, 1997, in Auckland, New Zealand, and raised in Melbourne, Australia, Rosé's journey began far from the polished training rooms of Seoul. Music was her earliest language. She grew up singing in church choirs, learning guitar, and developing a natural sensitivity to melody and emotion. Encouraged by family, she auditioned for YG Entertainment at the age of 16 in Australia, placing first among hundreds of participants. Soon after, she moved to South Korea, stepping into a new culture and an intense trainee system that would redefine her life. Years of disciplined training followed. Under YG Entertainment, she refined her vocals, dance technique, and performance skills while adapting to a demanding industry standard. In 2016, she officially debuted as the main vocalist of BLACKPINK. The group's explosive debut quickly positioned them as a global force, and Rosé's distinctive tone became one of the defining elements of their sound. Her voice, airy yet piercing, soft yet emotionally charged, stood out in both high-energy anthems and stripped-down ballads. As BLACKPINK expanded into international markets, performing at major festivals and topping global charts, Rose emerged as a bridge between Western and Korean pop sensibilities. Her solo chapter marked another milestone. In 2021, she released her single album, R, with On the Ground, achieving historic chart success for a Korean soloist. The project revealed a more introspective side of her artistry, exploring themes of ambition, identity, and the emotional weight of success. Rather than relying solely on group momentum, she demonstrated independence and personal storytelling through music. By 2026, Rose is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry insiders recognize her vocal consistency and emotional delivery. Audiences connect deeply with her authenticity, and fashion houses view her as a refined cultural ambassador. Her career reflects strategic growth, balancing group achievements with solo evolution. Offstage, her lifestyle combines elegance with restraint. She maintains a disciplined routine that supports vocal health, physical conditioning, and creative focus. Music remains central to her daily life, whether through songwriting sessions, studio recordings, or quiet acoustic moments. Her fashion presence mirrors her artistic persona. Known for sleek silhouettes and minimalist luxury, Rose frequently represents Saint Laurent and Tiffany & Company at international fashion events. She carries a poised confidence that feels natural rather than constructed, allowing her to transition seamlessly between concert arenas and couture runways. While public curiosity often surrounds her personal relationships, she remains measured about what she reveals. She consistently centers attention on music and artistic development. Within the industry, she is described as hardworking, introspective, and emotionally attuned to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and long-term luxury partnerships. Beyond financial success, she has secured international credibility and sustained influence in both music and fashion. What many find compelling is her emotional transparency. She speaks openly about vulnerability, self-doubt, and the pressures of fame, channeling those experiences into songwriting and performance. This emotional honesty quietly defines her artistic signature. Rosé's journey is marked by refinement rather than repetition. From a choir singer in Australia to a leading figure in global pop culture, her rise reflects courage, discipline, and artistic sincerity. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, graceful, focused, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.